Hello everyone, this is lesson number 7 and here we are going to discuss a topic that is fuel eating microbes. Actually there is some research that happened recently by Argentina scientists, and they find out in the Antarctica areas like some of the microorganisms are naturally growing there. Those are responsible to do the decomposition of the lot of the materials. Those are not easily biodegradable. Okay, and here the one example is the fuel and the second example is the plastic material. So in this entire session I'll discuss with you guys about the fuel eating microbes, and this topic is connected with the science and economic environment both. So let us proceed guys. Before we start this lesson, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I have done my Ph.D. from IIT Delhi, working as a director of Purvanchal as Gorakhpur, UP for face-to-face classes. I am taking your classes for two subjects. The one is on science and tech and second is on environment. From last 18 years, I am already in this UPSC civil services teaching. 1000 plus selection already happened. And yes, two books that published on the Macra Hill of mine. The one is on science and tech and second is on environment. So this is a highly recommended book for all of you. So don't forget to read it guys. See, this is a Telegram channel where all the PDF I share with all of you, and here it is good to save your time guys. Apart of all the video links, those I'm making here, that all the links I also shared here. So this is a one-stop solution for all of you to connect with me, especially for the science and tech and environment. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/@Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out the plus classes. A part of iconic subscriptions those students have taken. This is paid courses. This is a paid course. And second side, the special classes are also available. My special classes are also available for all of you. And the special class is free for all of you. Many of the classes are biology, physics, chemistry. I'm covering there guys. Okay, my code is Ravi UPSC. Whenever you are going to join any courses, if you use the Ravi UPSC, the extra 10% fees rebate, you will get it guys. So don't miss this opportunity to use a 10% fees rebate. So it's a best educator platform that you all people know very well, and we all faculties are coming on an academy to take a live session. Okay, my all the classes of science and tech environment also available here. So highly experienced faculties, well trained in UPSC civil service examinations, they all are available under Unacademy under live session. So kindly join us guys and enjoy this whole the journey of the teachers that they have already experienced. That will be really very beneficial to all of you. So it's Unacademy Civil Services Championship on 27 March that I will recommend to all of you. You join it, and the link is given below guys. And here you will get a lot of scholarship and the prizes. A free comprehensive interview guidance program for UPSC CSC 2021. As you know, the 2021 the mains result already out, and here we are providing the free for all eligible aspirants. Last year already 170 plus toppers are selected. Those are trained by the Unacademy. It's a panel of mentors to help you the UPSC CSC 2020-21 interviews. You all people know these all the mentors. Okay, those are highly well trained in the civil service examinations. So they have a lot of journey. They have spent their own time in the civil services jobs. So their experience you will get it. So mock interview will start from first week of April. So hurry up and register now. Don't miss this opportunity guys. It's a great news for all of you guys in Unacademy. That test series that is name of Unacademy Lite. Here we are providing you the prelims test series for the general studies and CSAT both for 2020-22 and 2020-23. 50,000 plus students already enrolled in the Indian history under the test series of Unacademy. We are providing the 6-month and 1-year subscription that you can see on the screen guys. So now finally we have to reach on the topic that is for current affairs updations in the present videos. The topic is of fuel eating microbes. As I mentioned you, this topic is connecting with the science and tech, and somehow it is also connecting with the environment. Actually, what about the recent updates? Recent update like Argentina scientists, even they find out some of the microorganisms, and those organisms are already native of Antarctica. Okay, we are not going to bring a microorganism from some other locations to the Antarctica. It is already growing naturally there guys, and they have potential to clean up the fuels and even the plastics. The fuel, those oil spills are there guys, and plastics, those plastic used and after the waste it dumped there guys. Okay, and that is the great news guys. That is the great news. And somehow this topic based questions also UPSC asked in 2017, in 2012 in prelims and mains examinations. Further, the article is connecting with it, and this topic is an evergreen topic guys. It is an evergreen topic. Not only here the current affairs, even I'll suggest to all of you, it is an evergreen topic, always important for everyone. See, It's a team of Argentina scientists that you can see here, guys. They are going to collect some of the samples of bacteria and fungi. Those bacteria and fungi are naturally growing in the Antarctica regions. Okay, and see, the scientists, even whenever they will take it, they will culture it and they will provide the ideal conditions for the growth of the bacteria and fungi. I hope you guys know very well. Bacterial and fungal activities are very low in the low temperature. Okay, but here some of the microorganisms, those scientists even got it, that in Argentina teams, they got it. Really, they have given the better response. What happened here in this case, guys, the native microorganism I have spoken you guys, the native microorganism, those are available in the Antarctica soil. They are the bacteria and they are the fungi. They're the bacteria and fungi. Okay, and these microorganisms are those bacteria and fungi which have ability to eat the hydrocarbons. Eat the hydrocarbon means they decomposed it, they destroyed it. Okay, and see one thing more, guys. Actually, what we are doing, these tiny microbes we are going to munch with the waste material. Why with the waste material, the tiny microbes we are going to munch? Because the waste material are the food for the tiny microorganisms, for the bacteria and fungi. Okay, and then we are going to dump it. We are going to dump it in those areas have a pollutions, and the pollution caused by the diesel. Actually, you know why they have a diesel pollutions in the Antarctica regions? The reason diesel is used as a main source of electricity. Okay, actually generator based power generation is doing on in the case of Antarctica. Even same thing in the case of Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar also have not even any other options for the electricity production. So here the diesel is the fuel that we are using through generator, and generator based power generation in the Andaman Nicobar. Same generator based power generation we are doing in the Antarctica regions. So definitely, guys, in the generator diesel we are using as a fuel, and diesel is when the leakage happen many places. In the Antarctica it is being found out. And now those tiny microbes even identify, they are able to do the decomposition of oil spills like diesel and all. Okay, now the question is how we will optimize the growth of microorganisms. So definitely, guys, a favorable condition is required, and the favorable condition have to need of nitrogen, favorable condition have a need of some humidity, and favorable condition have a need of aerations. So scientists even watched it, guys. When the scientist has given the ideal condition for the growth of microorganisms, in that case is what happened, the decomposition rate of diesel, okay, even the oil spills and the plastics become very fast in that areas. It is a picture of microorganism that you can see on the screen, guys. Actually, regarding the Antarctica, I want to discuss with you about the Madrid Protocol 1961. 1961 Madrid Protocol got so much popular, and the purpose was exactly the protection of the Antarctica continents. This Antarctica Treaty of 1961 under the Madrid Protocol, okay, it held, and the purpose is what Antarctica should be used for peaceful purposes. Antarctica should not be used for the military. We should not do any kind of nuclear test there, guys. Even if any countries base radioactive elements or radioactive waste material happen, so we will not go and do the disposal of the radioactive waste in that locations, guys. Okay, so this is the reason here the peaceful purpose means not even the military activities, not nuclear test, and not even the radioactive waste disposal there. And here in the case of Antarctica Treaty 1961 Madrid Protocol, here we will promote the international cooperation in the research. So only this is the reason, guys, Antarctica based research laboratories are there and scientists are working there, guys. And the purpose of this enactment, I hope you know very well, guys, the protection of the Antarctica environment, nothing more. Okay, protection of the Antarctica environment, nothing more here. Now we'll come under research. Actually here those research happen. This research is related to the bioremediations. Bioremediation was UPSC question in 2017 prelims. And bioremediation based phytoremediation. A plant will be used in the biology, phytoremediations. Phytoremediation was the mains question paper, mains 2012. It is my nature, guys, whenever I am discussing any topic. So left and right of this topic, I always like to discuss. Left and right means if any of the related questions in the previous year UPSC asked, so it is my nature to discuss with you guys simultaneously. So the bioremediation is somehow is what it is the microbes, that microbes even grow there, identify there by the Argentina scientists. It is a kind of bioremediations. In the case of bioremediation, we can use the plant also. If plant we will use, it is a case of phytoremediation. It was a mains question paper of 2012. So plant will be utilized for the removal of the pollutant substances from the environment. So actually here a team carried out a bioremediation task with the help of microorganisms. Okay, so it is the therapy. Bioremediation, it is a kind of therapy or treatment by the help of living organism. It is called as a bioremediations. In this case, it involved the cleaning of soil affected by diesels yeah, any of the kind of plastics, up to 60 to 80% removal being possible with the help of microorganisms and plant. And see, again I'm repeating the word, guys, microorganism we did not brought from any other locations. These are the naturally indigenous microorganisms, those are already growing there. Okay, and finally, on the basis of this whole experiment, now the scientist team has been started their own work how the microbes could help the clean up the plastic waste elsewhere. And you people know very well, either you see the fuel like diesel type, yeah, you see the plastic type, they all are the hydrocarbon, they are made up by carbon and hydrogen compounds. So they're made up by long chain of carbon hydrogens. You must be clear here, guys. Actually, in the case of researchers, what they have done, researchers collect a sample of plastics from the Antarctica seas, and on this plastic they have seen the microorganisms are eating the plastics. Okay, microorganisms are eating the plastics, and now on the basis of it they understand a lot of things, and now the next step will be to understand how they are doing it, and more knowledge. In this case, guys, even biotechnology type of experiment also being very successful. So with the help of biotechnology experiment, they will try to find out. Even in India, one of the questions, okay, one of the topic also very important in Indian examination, even the UPSC also, that is called oil japper. Maybe you guys have seen UPSC ask this question of oil japper around 2014-15 prelims examinations. Oil japper is a kind of genetically modified bacteria. It is also UPSC questions in 2014-15 genetically modified bacteria. Genetically modified organism, genetically modified bacteria. 4 genetically modified bacteria were developed earlier. There is a news like one more genetically modified bacteria also developed. Okay, and this is a genetically modified bacteria. If you put in any kind of oil spills, wherever the ocean leakage of oils and all happen, this genetically modified bacteria is going to eat all the oil spill leakage, and now the environment in that particular area is going to save. Okay, oil japper is very important. And see, the oil japper, even any places have a the oil spill type of problems, the oil spill, oil leakage are there, guys. Okay, so they are going to, they have a demand of oil jappers from India, and the oil jappers is available in a powdery form, that is called as a concob. Concob is a powder. It's a powdery material. It's a powder of what? Oil jappers, where have a 5 types of genetically modifying bacteria India developed. So ultimately, genetically modified is the example of what? It is also the example of biotechnology. It's got very popular. UPSC made this question in 2014-2015 prelims. In this entire discussion, I think 3-4 questions of UPSC previous question paper you also got it. Okay, so this video will literally be helpful to you people, guys, to connect with the previous year question papers. It is the nearby ocean region, guys, where you can see the lot of the dumping of the plastic waste materials and how much it is dangerous. I hope you can understand. One more question that UPSC has in a paper in 2017-18 prelims paper, 18-19 around prelims paper. Okay, that I'll also discuss with you in the case of plastic pollutions. Lot of the accumulation of plastic object particles like plastic bottles, bags, microbes, you can see it is available anywhere, many places in the Earth's environment. Even microbes enter into the ocean-based fishes body, guys, and even oceans die. This is the question paper of 2018-19 prelims paper. Microbes is the plastic pollutions that enter inside the living organism, the aquatic organisms. Okay, in the marine life, they are going to destroy them, guys. And not only this marine lives, even this plastic bags and all, they are also entering into the wildlife animals. They have it, and even the human also. Even those plastic based material, we are putting the food there, guys. And later on, the plastic based container where have a food, we are putting it into the microwave oven. Very dangerous, guys. Microwave oven based heats, okay, will melt the plastic, and now your food content inside the plastic bowls, they are receiving the plastic content. Cancerous. The different level of plastics, guys, different size bases, and that size is being classified as a microplastic, mesoplastic, and macro debris. Okay, the one side of plastic. And microbes, you remember, it was UPSC question. The people were confused, where is a microbes? So microbes is a kind of plastic pollution that you can see inside a fish's body also, guys. Okay, oil spill, you know very well, guys. It's a liquid petroleum hydrocarbon leakages in the environment. Especially this leakage happen in the marine ecosystem, being called as an oil spill. What about bioremediation? Bioremediation is what? Living organism we are using for the treatments. Living organism we are using for treatment is a bioremediation. What will come in the bioremediation, you people know very well. Different type of microorganism, bacteria, fungi, algae and the plants we are using to solve the various polluting substances from the environment. And see, the plant-based bioremediation is called phytoremediation, I told you guys. Okay, just like I'm telling you one statement like Chernobyl disaster, I hope you know very well. Chernobyl disaster. It was in Ukraine, guys. Those Ukraine today, it is suffering under the under the Russia and Ukraine war. Okay, so the same Chernobyl disaster happened. Chernobyl was in Ukraine. In that area, they everywhere have a uranium leakage. Everywhere the uranium leakage. Leakage means actually everywhere have a uranium spread. And the people have grown the sunflower there. Sunflower means a kind of plants they grown there. And what the sunflower has done? Sunflower has consumed all the uranium from the soil, guys. And now after many years, guys, the growth of sunflower solved the uranium problem. Uranium is spread, okay, from the soil, guys. And ultimately the land become free from the uranium, guys. So it's a what? Either you are using any microorganism, yeah, you are using any kind of plants to clean this type of polluting areas, okay, any kind of it. So that is the part of bioremediation. If plant you are using, it will become as a bioremediations. What about the significance? I hope significance, environmental concern, and now the environmental problem can be solved out. This is a question paper of 2017 that UPSC has in your paper. I hope most of you people are serious aspirant and they have seen that questions. So around 5 questions I have discussed in your paper in this entire lesson, guys. Okay. In the context of solving pollution problems, what is are the advantages of bioremediation techniques? Again, I repeat, in the context of solving pollution problems, what is are the advantages of bioremediation techniques? Okay, it is a technique for cleaning of pollution by enhancing the same biodegradation process that occurs in the nature. So it is also the kind of natural process for the solving the pollution problem. Second, any contaminant with a heavy metal such as the cadmium and the lead can be readily and completely treated by bioremediation using microorganisms. So here you tell me, guys, heavy metal can be treated easily with the help of microorganisms. Heavy metal like cadmium and the lead, tell me this answer, guys. I did not say anywhere, but I'm telling you, guys, radioactive waste, cadmiums, heavy metals, arsenics, not even the bacteria even identified mechanism to do the decomposition of it. Okay, so already I have given you the answer here, but third statement, guys. Genetic engineering can be used to create a microorganism specially designed for the bioremediations. I hope you people can give me the answer very easily. So give me the answer in the comment box, guys. What is the correct answer of this question of UPSC Prelims 2017? So now this is the complete video, guys, and in the last I'll tell you guys this is the Telegram platform for the entire PDF. You take and save your time, and for all the video link, you people also connect with me. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here all the plus and iconic classes are available. Those are paid, and my special classes also I schedule there, guys. That is free for all of you, guys. Ravi UPSC is my code during joining any courses. Use this Ravi UPSC code. Extra 10% discount you will get it. Okay, extra 10% discount you people can get it. This is the best subscription for all of you during joining any courses. I'll suggest to all of you guys, kindly go with the Iconic subscriptions. Iconic subscription, here you will get the tutor as a mentorship during any kind of problems in your preparations. A tutor or mentorship will come with your live sessions. Mains question answer practices, study planning, if any kind of difficulty you have. And in the case of Iconic subscription, you will also get the opportunity to connect with the educators under the open house, guys. We all faculties you can also connect in the case of Iconic subscription. That's why I'm telling you, Iconic subscription is a beauty of the Unacademy whole classes. Okay, wherever you are going to join the general studies, either the plus or Iconic, yeah, overall you are going to join any of the optional courses. Okay, Ravi UPSC is the code, guys. During joining, if you will use it, Ravi UPSC code, you will get extra 10% discount. So use the Ravi UPSC code and enjoy this, guys. This is the best for all of you guys. Regarding anyone, if you have a financial crunch, the 0% EMI, even Unacademy is also providing you. It's a loan facility for the UPSC courses. Okay, it's a best review on the internet. You can get everywhere, guys. Best in the class educators, various ratings you can see on the screen. And the best here I will tell you guys, like our test series are the best in India right now. 50,000 plus enrollment already has done. What makes us different? The printed comprehensive notes, 20,000 plus question answer practices, MCQ based crash courses, live mentorship. Those made Unacademy platform different from the other one, guys. Unacademy store is open now, and here you people can connect physically with the Unacademy also. And to come and meet with our educators and experienced faculties, you can come 30 Pusa Road, O Rajendra near Metro Pillar 121, Delhi. So on Unacademy, Science and Technology Environment courses are launched. Science and Technology one session is over now, environment is running. So environment is running now. Okay, my plus courses are available here. So if you want to, you can enroll with the Ravi UPSC. A new batch on Unacademy for UPSC CSA is being started from the 23rd March. It's a bilingual for 2023 and English medium for 2023. Both batches started now, so don't miss this opportunity to join it, guys. So thank everyone to subscribe the channel, guys, and kindly share, like and share this whole entire videos. And for the PDF, I spoken you always, guys, the my Telegram channel where the videos where the PDFs are available. So thank you everyone. See you soon in the next lesson. So God bless you. Bye.